Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I have another styling try-on haul for summer clothes featuring Rihoas. I hope I'm saying that right, Rihoas. This has been a targeted ad for me. They get me every single time on Facebook, Instagram. You guys know I love reviewing brands. I like to do full inclusive brands so I can just kind of really get an idea of what they have to offer, quality and whatnot, sizing and all that. So I'm super happy that Rihoas reached out to me and wanted to partner with me on today's video. And as always, I will have all of the links in the description box down below, and they provided me with a coupon code, which is provided here on the screen, as well as everything in the description box down below. I will also have my general measurements and the exact sizes that I ordered and everything, and why I chose what size I chose. I would say everything runs true to size in my opinion. So far, I've tried everything on. I like to try everything on before I sit down and talk to you about my final thoughts. So these are what the little tags look like. I love how it's done with this like twine. I think it's so cute. I feel like everything is very like classic Parisian, I don't know, just very classic fitting styles at a really good affordable price, which is what I'm always looking for. So I want to go ahead and share with you what I got. Lots of feminine, girly things that I know I'm going to be wearing all summer long. So let's start with first this little top that I got. This is a little bit outside of my comfort zone just because I don't typically wear tank tops, but as soon as I put this on, Scott was like, that is so freaking cute. And I was like, okay, he didn't say it in those words, but you know what I mean? Like, I was like, he thinks it's so freaking cute. But I really enjoy it. I like that it has these thicker straps up top so I can wear a bra with it if I choose. Has a super adorable little bow. It reminds me of something I would have worn when I was younger, and when you first get it out of the packaging, you're like, there is no way this will fit me. It's one size, but it is so stretchy and so soft. All of their like knit materials are so stretchy, so silky, and so freaking soft. So I think this is so cute. And to balance it, you could always go with throw on a pair of denim shorts and go real like, I don't know, fun with it. Or for me, I went very classic with a pair of black shorts, which just kind of, I think, makes the outfit look a little bit more uniform, a little bit more mature. So I really thought it was cute together. Moving along, I got a ton of dresses, different kinds and styles of dresses. I feel like I'm really entering my dress era, and I think the biggest reason why I never wore dresses in the past is because I just never knew what shoes to wear with it. Because if you guys have been following me for a while, you know I was like addicted to my Birkenstock sandals or my high top Converse platform. That's pretty much it. So I didn't really go outside of those shoes, and I really never knew what to wear with dresses because I never think that those shoes look that great with dresses, except for some, of course. I show a pair with my high top Converse, but generally speaking, I felt like I never reached for them or never gravitated toward dresses because I never knew what shoe to wear with them. But now I've got my shoe game on lock. But this dress, besides the point, I got this in a size small. I am such a fan of a collared sleeveless dress. It reminds me so much of my mom. I don't know, I'm just in love with the style, the silhouette. This dress fits perfectly. It is a size small. Sometimes I will go up to a medium due to my bust size. Like, I feel like it pulls at the buttons a little bit. This is something that you could go up if you have a larger chest, because they have this little string in the back that originally I thought tied in the front, but it doesn't. It ties in the back to give that really cinched in hourglass look. This dress looks so expensive, and I love the little gold detailing of the buttons. It's made really well. It's lightweight though, so it's not gonna be super hot for the summer, but it doesn't look like it's got some weight to it. I love the way this hits, the way this flows. You can make it a little sexier by unbuttoning some of the buttons at the top or the bottom. Perfect length, so cute. And I think this could be worn so many different ways, and this is such a classic, timeless piece to have in your wardrobe, which is really what I'm going for nowadays. Is just, of course I love a good fun dress, fun bold color, but I really love those classic staple silhouettes. Now, this isn't necessarily a classic silhouette, but I'm a sucker for tie, string, shoulder situations. I just feel like it adds so much interest to an outfit. I have two tops that they also have the tie strings. They do the tie straps so well and so much on their website. I love green. I have like a very bright summery spring green, but I don't have anything darker, but I really like it with the contrast of the light pink little flowers on them. So cute. Perfect length, not too short. I find that some dresses like this, it's either so long or it's so short that you're like bending over and your butt's hanging out. Not the case with this. It has a little like corset bodice top, and then it has the bungee back, but it also has a zipper to get in, so I feel like it fits perfectly. So again, I got this in a size small, and I love the bungee's there for like extra fittedness, but the zipper, like, I couldn't get the dress on without unzipping the zipper, if that makes sense. So the fit is perfection. I think this is such a fun color. All right, let's just continue with the dresses, because this color, I feel like this is one of my favorite colors, like, of all time. It's so pretty, and I think it looks good on dark hair. I think it looks good on red hair, blonde, literally anything. I think this is so pretty. And the silhouette, again, it's a sweater dress. This I also got in a small. I could have sized up to a medium just because of the buttons a little bit, like puckering, but nothing where I'm like, oh, that looks like I'm a busted can of biscuits about to explode at any second. Not like that. Again, just the stretchiest, softest material. Comes with a belt. I love the contrast of the dark blue, like this cobalt blue with the white buttons. I think it's the perfect opportunity to throw on a white sneaker, crisp, clean. Also could dress it up with heels, but I think it's such a perfect contrast with the white shoes. Obsessed. I love this. It literally feels like you're wearing pajamas. It's good. Perfect length. And again, you can make it sexier by unbuttoning from the top, from the bottom. Love the collar. That silhouette is so timeless that I will have that in my closet for years. Again, with more collared dresses, and I went with more longer, kind of modest dresses as well. I love collared dresses, and I love this sort of like almost polo-y, like tennis themed, but longer. This pattern of this wave, they do it in a couple of different styles. I also have it in a tank that I'm going to show you in a little bit, but I love it. This is so soft and gives such a contrast. This is a thicker dress, but I feel like you need a white dress to be quite thick because you don't want to see through it, and you don't see through anything with this. It also does have a lightweight slip underneath, so I like that. Very breathable. So cute. Such a classic silhouette. Again, there is a zipper to get on in and out of the side of this. I love this. It reminds me of a tennis dress that I have that's like an athletic fit, and this is just like a step up that you could wear to just a nice like lunch, brunch, whatever. All right, and then the last dress that I got, this I'm thinking wedding. I love picking up dresses that I would wear as a guest to a wedding, because I am somebody who like panics when it's that time, and I'm like, nothing, like, it's when you can't find anything you want, right? So Rihoas has so many different styles of dresses, and that's another thing I wanted to kind of see if the quality is the same throughout. This is a like satiny, silky sort of dress, so very thin, very lightweight. Not thin in a bad way. It's not see-through or anything like that. Again, has the zipper, but the bungee as well. Adjustable straps. I love the neckline on this. I like that it's not a cowl and just a straight across. Stunning. The back slit though, and the way this makes my teeny tiny little booty look, I love it. And I'm a sucker for green with white florals. I think this is so cute, and I love the fit on this. Again, true to size with a size small. They have so many great dresses that you could wear just day to day or for a special event. So check them out if you're looking for some summer or fall wedding guest dresses in the next couple of months. Then let's move on to some tops. So the first one is this, again, that same sort of material and pattern as that dress that I just showed you. I love a mock neck. I just think it's so classic, and again with the tanks, so cute. So this can be worn with jeans, this can be worn with shorts, it can be dressed up, it can be dressed very casually. I think it's cute. It is slightly sheer, but with a nude undergarment, not a problem at all. These next two tops, when I tell you that I don't think I've loved tops more in my life, I love these bows, and you guys know it. I wear them all the time. They, especially with my short hair now, I feel like they show off so much more, and I'm just here for it. Again, you could pair this with jeans for more of like a night out look. You could pair it with like a very monochromatic look with like a tan short. This one just is straight bungee in the back, but these sheer little like chiffon ribbons, perfection. And you get a very customized fit on the shoulder based on how high up you tie it, and it's long enough to fit in my jeans, which is key for me. I'm not a huge crop top sort of girl, so I love that this tucks into my jeans. And again, true to size with the size small. This black top is so stunning. I don't even know how to put it into words. Like, I need to wear this the next time we go out, which we don't go out very often, but I need to wear it the next time we go out because it is so cute. Again, this one is full satin, but it has the bow tie sleeves as well. And it has this little notch in the front, which I thought is really cute. It doesn't have any boning, so sometimes it does flop over, but I think that's still adorable. So you can either keep it up or it will fold over. I bet you could like press it with a little bit of like, starch and it would stay up straight, but I love this. Again, tucked into some shorts. Such a classic, very, like I said, Parisian sort of look with some cat eye sunglasses. This has a zipper, but it also has the bungee in the back for the perfect fit. Love the satin. This one fits a bit more tight and a bit more, not tight in a bad way, just more fitted than the white top, but I love it. They are different because this is satin throughout, but this one is probably my favorite. If you're gonna get one top from this, I would get the black one, and if you're gonna get one dress, oh girl, maybe that blue one. It's so good. All right, and then last but not least, I wanted to get a pair of shorts. You guys know I'm a sucker for long shorts. I've been wearing long shorts pretty much since I had a baby. I don't know, I just feel more comfortable, more confident, and I think that they just make an outfit look very polished and put together. So when I saw these, I actually don't have a pair of tan. I have navy, black, white. I don't own a tan pair of like trouser sort of shorts. These are very lightweight. They have a really nice pattern on them. Love the fact that these are high-waisted. They fit me absolutely perfect. And again, the sizing, I was a little concerned, but I went with a size small and I'm a 26 waist. Again, I'll have my kind of like waist and measurements down below. They're not see-through. Like, you can slightly see the outline of your pockets, but you can't see anything else through them. So I love that. These, again, just lace so perfectly with those little ribbon tops. I think it's just a very, very cute look. Very polished, very put together, very, what's the new term? Old money aesthetic, if you will. So if you have not checked out Rihoas, like, I definitely recommend checking it out. Their stuff is honestly really cute. I know it can be a little intimidating to shop online at boutiques and whatnot and not know the quality, the feel, the fit. So that's why I'm here to kind of share with you my thoughts on this brand. And overall, true to size, I think the quality is amazing. And I'm a really big fan of their classic and like timeless silhouettes and colors on their websites. I absolutely love the pieces that I picked out. And again, don't forget to check out the description box down below for the exact links and a special coupon code that they gave me for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Happy shopping. And if there's any other brands that you want to see this from, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what your favorite piece was, and I'll see you all in my next video very, very soon.